So if y is equal to y is equal to 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x, show that d2y by dx square is equal to 49y. So that we have to show that y is equal to the first equation we have taken, named as equation number 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, dy by dx is equal to 500 derivative of some rule inside ತಗೊಂಡಿವ್ರಿ. 500 constant, take it outside. Derivative of e raised to 7x with respect to x, 600 constant ಐತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Derivative of e raised to minus x with respect to x. So now dy by dx is equal to 500 e raised to ax, the derivative ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ a into e raised to x, 7 into e raised to 7x. So plus 600 into minus 7 into e raised to minus 7x. So name it as equation. Again we have to differentiate it. Why? Because we need the second order derivative. So differentiate 2 with respect to x. So again we get that is a d2, differentiating on both the sides we get 500 into 7. 7 constantly, derivative of e raised to 7x minus, so minus into plus, minus 600 into 7 derivative of e raised to minus 7x with respect to x. dy by dx ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, d2y by dx square is equal to 500 into 7 into 7 e raised to 7x. e raised to 7x is the derivative, 7 into e raised to 7. So next minus 600 into 7 derivative of e raised to minus 7x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 7 e raised to minus 7, minus into minus plus. So 7 into 7 49, 7 into 7 49, 49 common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ, 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x. So ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, that is y, 49y by 1, 49y. So d2y by dx square is equal to 49y. So this completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. So very important problem which we have to solve. So next y is equal to, so 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. We have to show that. So y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So that is x square y2. y2 is nothing but the second derivative. So x y1 is nothing but the first derivative, that is dy by dx, and y is given. So let's we take that is the y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, named as equation number 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ equation differentiate 1 with respect to x. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, with respect to x ಅಲ್ಲಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. differentiating on both the side with respect to dy by dx. y the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dy. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, so we can write dy by dx as like this, y1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀನಿ, is equal to 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, derivative of cos log x plus 4 constant ಐತ್ರಿ, derivative of sin log x. ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, derivative of cos u, derivative of sin u. So that we know that y1 is equal to 3 into cos u, the derivative ಐತ್ರಿ, minus sin u ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x into derivative of what, so u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ, log x plus 4 constant ಐತಿ, 4 constant. Sin u ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos log x into derivative of u ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x is log x. So now we have to differentiate y1. So ಇದು log x ದ derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x. So log x ದ derivative 1 by x plus 4 into cos log x into log x ದ derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x. 1 by x ಯಾವುದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡನೇ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ xy1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ 2 with respect to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ xy1 is equal to minus 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೀ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin log x plus 4 derivative of cos log x. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ xy1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y2 plus y1 ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x. sin u ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ sin u ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನ್ರಿ cos u into du by dx. So that is cos log x into derivative of log x. So plus 4 into so cos u ದ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ minus sin log x into derivative of log x. So next we got that is xy2 plus y1 is equal to minus 3 cos log x into log x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x. So plus into minus so bracket ಹಾಕಿ plus into minus minus 4 sin log x divided by x. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನೇ ಬಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ x into x square y2 plus xy1 is equal to minus ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So x square y2 plus xy1 is equal to minus ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ by equation number 1. So that is nothing but the y by 1. So now bring this on this side. What happens? X square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. So this completes the equation. So proof. So next we move to that is another problem. So we'll solve the another problem which is very important for you, and also I'll give homework for you, so you have to solve and send me. So that is if y is equal to, very important show that show that x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. We have to prove that. So we have to prove this using this. Let me take that is y square is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Name it as a question number 1. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ So differentiate 1 with respect to x. With respect to x ले differentiate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan square tan inverse x whole square. So we know the derivative of composite rule dy by dx ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ y1 ಅಂತೇವಿ. Derivative of composite rule u raised to n ಅಂದ್ರೆ n into u raised to n minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into derivative of u raised to n is equal to n into u raised to n minus 1 into du by dx. Composite rule 2 into tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x the derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x divided by 1 by ಇದರ derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 1 plus x square. So ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಬರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. If you have cross multiplied, don't so keep the if any variable when we are finding the second derivative ಎರಡನೇ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಬಂತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ bring this what happens 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x 2 tan inverse x. So name it as equation number 2. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ differentiate the 2 with respect to x. Differentiate 2 with respect to x once again. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ 1 plus x square ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ derivative of y1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus y1 ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ derivative of 1 0 plus x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x plus 2x is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is the derivative in 1 by 1 plus x square. So shall we write like this 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x and 1 by 1 plus x square 1 plus x square. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 2. So ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x square whole square ಆಗಲ್ಲ a into a square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. So whether we got our result? So this completes the problem. So now next, so I am giving the example for you. Homework for you. Find the second derivative find the second derivative find the find the find the second derivatives. One is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Second derivative ಅಂದ್ರೆ d2y by dx square ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇ y is equal to log x. ಮೂರನೇ y is equal to x cube log x. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ y is equal to sin log x. ಐದನೇ y is equal to x cos x. So you have to solve all these 5 problems and send me through the WhatsApp. So next we move to that is the mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem.